y'all, and welcome back to my channel. So the hair that we're going to be working with today is from Domiso hair. I have never worked with them before, but they did reach out and wanted to collab, so of course I'm always open to new ventures as well as trying new wigs for y'all, because y'all, look at this. It looks so good. If you're interested in seeing how I got my hair like this and my lace laid like this, make sure that you keep watching. Don't come for me, okay? Just reviewing the hair, I did go ahead and wash the hair as well. I don't know about y'all, but when I receive a new wig, I always wash my wigs. I cannot just wear a wig straight out of the box. So yeah, so this is the hair, still a little bit damp, and she's pretty. She is a little thin on the ends. Let's see if y'all can tell. Oh. She is a little thin on the ends, so I'm probably gonna cut her just a little bit. I may do like a long bob. I'm not really sure. I'll kind of know once I start applying it. But yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and start applying my wig. The first thing that I'm gonna do is go ahead and add some makeup to my lace so that it kind of blends a little bit more with my skin. Alright, so personally I like to use a cream rather than a powder. So the cream that I normally use is the Anastasia Contour Cream Kit, and I usually use let's see if I can open it. I usually use this shade right here, and it has been working pretty well for me. Alright, so I went ahead and applied the makeup to the wig. What I like to do for extra blend is I'm gonna add the same cream powder on the outside of the lace. So now that I have the makeup applied, the next thing I'm gonna do is, so on the side of the wig there are these tabs if you're getting a closure. And my head is kind of small, so these kind of always sit on top of my ears. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is cut this part off. So as y'all can see, that looks great. It blends perfectly with my skin. So let's go ahead and
baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do like you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand?
So this wig is a 4x4 closure wig in the texture straight. It still has the softness in it. It does not feel dry at all. So far I really like this wig. The only thing I would say is it is a little bit on the thinner side for me. And this is in, I believe this is 20 inches. All right, so this is a 4x4 closure wig. Of course, like I told y'all, 180% density. And this is in 18 inches. And it also says that it's pre-plucked. Let me stand up a little bit for y'all so y'all can kind of see where it is on me. So you guys can see how the ends of the hair look. Yeah, so I'm definitely probably gonna cut this wig because I want my ends to be really full. So yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna do, I don't know, we'll see.
Yo, hear me now. Anybody do that dance and nasty up and them nasty up. Fix things, quick things, loopings. Well, alright then. Can you see me a cleanest? Clothes when me rocking at the fucking realest. Ching ching. Inna the Louis V vest. Girl one with this squeeze silicone and real bless. Can a blow breeze for the head of my penis. Coolest breeze that me rocking a sleeveless. Ease out.
I definitely need to pluck this some more because I'm not really feeling this hairline. Alright guys, so I just finished crimping my hair. I know y'all heard me say I was gonna do like a cute little bob or whatever, you know, but I went to get my curlers and I saw this beauty and I forgot I kind of had it, so I decided to crimp my hair. And I don't know when last time I crimped my hair, but y'all, I realized how tedious this process is. So don't laugh at the back of my head if I miss a spot, okay? But this is the back. And I did not cut it like I said I was. I just left it the length that it was, since I decided to crimp it. Some of my crimps have already fell, but it's okay. So I'm just gonna grab some oil. And I'm just gonna pull these apart. Not pull them apart, but just kind of run my fingers through it. Oh, this hair is soft. Yo, this hair is soft. Wow. Wow. I need to crimp this part right here again, but alright, so this is the final look and it turned out so freaking bomb. One little piece right here is gonna drive me crazy. But yeah, so it turned out so freaking bomb. Y'all, I am honestly a little surprised because once my knots did not bleach, I really started to get a little scared. Alright guys, so that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss any uploads whenever I upload. Again, all the details to this hair will be down below in the description box, so make sure that you check it out if you're interested in purchasing this hair. And make sure that you pay attention to my coupon code because there will be one down below as well. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.